We are asked to simplify using rational exponents. Number one, we have the square root of 25. Looking at our notes, we're given the square root of x equals x raised to the power of 1/2, and in general, the nth root of x equals x raised to the power of 1 over n. So in general, the denominator of the rational exponent indicates the index of the radical. For a square root, the index is actually 2. So going back over to our examples, for number 1, the square root of 25 is equal to 25 raised to the power of 1/2. 25 is equal to 5 times 5, which equals 5 squared. So we have 5 squared raised to the 1/2 power. In this form, we have powers raised to powers, and therefore we multiply the exponents given by this exponent property here. So we have 5 raised to the power of 2 times 1/2, which equals 5 to the first, which equals 5. Number 2, we have the cube root of 64x to the third. Because the index is 3, this is equal to the radicand of 64x to the third raised to the 1/3 power. Now if we look at the prime factorization of 64, we would have 6 factors of 2, or 2 to the 6th. So let's write this as 2 to the 6th times x to the third raised to the power of 1/3. And now we multiply the exponents, so we'd have 2 raised to the power of 6 times 1/3, x raised to the power of 3 times 1/3. Well, 6 times 1/3 is equal to 2, so we have 2 squared times x raised to the power of 3 times 1/3 is 1. This simplifies nicely to 4x. And for number 3, we have the fourth root of 81 x to the first, y to the 8th, z to the 12th. Because the index is 4, this is the same as taking the radicand and raising it to the 1/4 power. And 81 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 to the 4th. So we have 3 to the 4th, x to the first, y to the 8th, z to the 12th, all raised to the 1/4 power. In this form, we multiply the exponents, so we have 3 to the 4 raised to the power of 1/4, x raised to the power of 1 times 1/4, which is 1/4, y raised to the power of 8 times 1/4, and z raised to the power of 12 times 1/4. So here we have 3 raised to the power of 4 times 1/4, that's 3 to the first, or just 3, x to the 1/4, y raised to the power of 8 times 1/4 is 2, and z raised to the power of 12 times 1/4, which is 3. So this simplifies to 3x to the 1/4, y squared, z to the third. I hope you found this helpful.